Welcome to my channel. Make sure to click the link in description below to get this mini PC at the best price. Today I'm excited to talk about the GEEKOM A6 Mini PC, a compact desktop that's designed for people who want serious everyday performance without the size, noise, or power draw of a traditional tower. This system is built to feel fast and responsive whether you're working from home, editing videos, studying, or just enjoying entertainment, all while taking up almost no desk space. The GEEKOM A6 stands out because it balances strong multitasking power with impressive efficiency, making it ideal for long work sessions without heat or fan noise becoming a distraction. It handles demanding productivity tasks smoothly, and even casual gaming and creative workloads feel comfortable thanks to its well-optimized performance. I also like that this mini PC is built with future needs in mind, allowing upgrades so it doesn't feel outdated after a short time, which adds real long-term value. On the connectivity side, it easily fits into modern setups with support for multiple displays, fast networking, and flexible peripheral options, making it a great choice for both home offices and creative workspaces. The compact aluminum body gives it a premium feel and helps it blend into any environment, whether it's mounted behind a monitor or sitting on a desk. Of course, if you're someone who needs extreme high-end gaming performance, a larger desktop may still make more sense, but for most users, this strikes an excellent balance between size, power, and efficiency. Overall, the GEEKOM A6 Mini PC is a smart option for anyone who wants reliable performance in a small, clean setup that just works day after day. If you're considering upgrading your workspace or replacing a bulky desktop, be sure to check the link in the description to see the latest deal and decide if this mini PC is the right fit for you.